I posted a free Discord Nitro with SteelSeries collaboration video a couple of days back. But people in the comment section seems kinda confused. You can also read the article that says free Nitro offer. But anyway, I will show it again and give away my free Nitro. So watch the video till the end. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. First of all, this thing only works on PC. It wouldn't work on any other devices. So install SteelSeries in your PC first. Once that is finished, you can open the app and create a new account here. Please make sure to not use your existing account, because that's not gonna work. I've already tried it. Now you can simply click Get Key and it will take you to Giveaways section where you can scroll down and claim the key or the link. I won't reveal the link in the video. I'll post the link when this video is uploaded. You can join my Discord server, it's in Primo's channel. I want to also remind you that you would need payment method to redeem it. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.